Hello YouTube, good morning. My name is Mosako Abayomi for Lyla Solar. A quick one. I went back to check up on installation date 2 weeks ago for a customer who had 8 panels, 8 batteries, and no charge controller. It was an installation which was done wrong initially, and we were there to correct it by changing the necessary things and buying new stuff to make the whole system work again. And when we did some of the testings, the preliminary testings we did, we found out that out of the 8 batteries, only 4 were good, which we eventually cleaned up and added more electrolyte into them, because those batteries were lead acid batteries, and they are wet cells. Now, on getting there, the customer was so happy and he was eager to tell me how the system has been performing so far since we did the corrections. And I was so happy because that is a positive response from a client, from a customer, and it goes a long way. And I eventually went to the control room, that's the battery room, where all the systems are being installed and kept. And I was so amazed as at 10:30 a.m. the batteries were about 85% full, and that was amazing. I was told that they used the system all through the night and it didn't go off, and that's the same system they are still using in the house presently. So I was so happy, and just hold on and just watch the clip, and you'll see. I'm going to attach the clip today so you can see for yourself what I'm talking about. Please enjoy.
Came back to check on the installation we did 2 weeks ago, and the figures I'm getting here are very impressive. 59 volts. The time is let's say it's 10:30 a.m. in the morning, and the panels are producing 12.3 amps after sunrise. Now, PV is 50.0 kilowatts hours, battery 26.7 volts, 25.0, sometimes, 25.8. That is good. Going into the batteries, the battery temperature 35 degrees Celsius, 0.4 kilowatts loads. This is really good. PV 12.2 amps. Wow, this is really good. It's just 10:30 a.m. this morning. The customer is very happy, and he has been showing his gratitude since I got here. All right.
Oh, thank you so much. I believe you enjoyed the video. Please do hit the subscribe button for our subsequent videos, and I want to use this medium to say soon we would start making tutorial videos on solar photovoltaic systems installation and other related renewable energy courses as well. Thank you so much. Do have a wonderful day.